Check this out. This is a waterfall at my house, and you can see the growth on this because these icicles right now are 3, 4, maybe even 5 feet tall on the longest. I'm always trying to watch out too. I don't want to be under where there's icicles, and just in case they break off. So I'm behind the waterfall and I'm taking you guys back behind it. I heard something kind of give, sounded like an icicle. Behind the waterfall. Sounds like things are moving. I don't want to be underneath any of this ice. If something moves, I'd rather get it on camera than get it on my head. Out, show you this is, I mean, the water's falling at about 30 feet. As we start going that way, that direction towards my house, the land goes up probably another 10 feet. Then probably another 10 feet after that. Probably gets about 50-foot drop. And then it just keeps going down, down, down the mountain.